Hello guys, now here here I am, Ralph Houndoni for my first video. I'm gonna show you tutorial about um how to download Screencast Online. First, we'll go to their website. Okay, there. Website. That you search screencastonline.com. Sorry for the lag. Here is the series page. It is. So your first, if you don't, just don't, just don't do an account because that's take a lot. So just click the start recording without an account. Start recording, and there you can see download and install. Click download install, and click the download now. You can see here download now, and then you're gonna you're you're gonna get in this website, download it. Yeah, it will um just opens your screen and just click download now. Okay, let's just when you just click the download now, it says thank you for downloading. Okay, it says there. But just wait for him because there you can see that, and just click save, and when it's finished downloading, um go to show all downloads when it's finished, and then click run and just follow the installer instructions. Thank you for watching my